Hi, this is Darla DeMauro from Heartwork Organizing. I just got back from NAPO Conference 2018 out in Chicago, and I'm going to do a little show and tell for you because a lot of my clients know I go to this, but if you didn't know, we have a National Association of Professional Organizers, and actually, whoops, they just changed the name. It's the National Association of Productivity and Organizing Professionals. So either way you call us, we'll get to you. It's actually an international organization. We had over 500 organizers out of the roughly 4,000 members attend, and it's a great time. We get to show off a lot of our bling. We get speaker ribbons and all the other things that we do or we participate in NAPO during the year. I was super excited to be a speaker here this year. I spoke on space planning, which is something that I do with a lot of my clients. Let's see, we got some swag, time timer, one of my favorite things ever. They just came out with this new design, and it's the super easiest timer you'll ever use. I love it. I'm going to be getting some more and definitely taking this with me to client appointments. Container Store, they always treat us really well. I love this zipper pouch. It's great for business things, or this would actually be great for a swimsuit too. I have never heard of this before. Maori, I'm going to have to check them out. These are expandable boxes. They're super cute, lots of cute designs, and I had a hunch, and I tested it out, and hanging folders actually will fit right in there. So I'm always looking for good hanging folder supplies, and I love that they're compact, and they have this little loop right here. I'll have to figure out how to use that. A super big thank you to our sponsors, also Smead. You probably have some Smead stuff at home or in your office. They sell hanging folders and manila folders and just lots of great office supplies. They also have a great podcast they've been doing for years, and they talked about getting me on to talk about the book, which I can't wait. Let's see, something funny that happened while I was there. We were eating very well, but look what was going on at home. My zucchini was being completely ignored, and I don't know what the family was eating, but it was not as well as I was eating. All right, moving on. We do a lot of funny things, that you're like probably thinking, organizers, like, are you really having fun there? But yes, we were. We were talking about getting a group of organizers together who organize wine, believe it or not. There's some of us who spend a lot of time in our client cellars organizing wine. There's some technology behind that, and I can't wait to get that started. The big thing this year with how we looked as a group, there was a lot of us that had colored hair, and I don't mean, just regular colored. I mean like pink and purple and blue hair. I love seeing that. I'll have to get that up on the blog for you. One gal, I specifically asked if I could take her hair because if I described it to you, you take a picture of her hair, not her whole hair. But if I described it to you, it would sound like an Easter egg, and she just looked amazing. She looked gorgeous. I totally want her hair. We talked a lot about mindfulness and meditation and organizing. And again, that's a little touchy-feely for me, but the exciting thing is that the research is really supporting us bringing that to you as an organizing tool. Listen to this, 5 minutes of meditation a day for an ADHD adult turns out clinically has the same as or better effect. It is more effective than medication in most cases. So, wow. I mean, think about that and think about what your pharmacy bill is and what you're trying to accomplish as an ADHD adult. And think about whether meditation, 5 minutes of meditation a day, can actually change your life. That is huge. Something I also learned, which I just think was really encapsulated very well, is there's 5 factors of happiness, and they include relationship and community, nature, being out in nature, exercise and your health, learning and growth, and altruism. And notice that organizing and wealth are not on there at all. But if you focus on those 5 things, honestly, a lot of times the priorities around organizing, the priorities around money management fall into place. So that was really interesting. I think I told you I did a space planning session for organizers. We were using some technology there, and that was really fun, and I'm getting some great feedback, so thanks to everybody who attended. Let's see, what else? Oh, routines. I've never thought about exactly what a routine is, but they broke it down into 4 things: a schedule, steps, supplies, and space. I just think that's brilliant. So if you're thinking about, hey, I need to build a new routine, think about those 4 things. So I think that's a lot, to share with you in 5 minutes. I was there for 4 days. And, if you have any questions about what we do when we get together as organizers, give me a shout. I'd love to share it with you. But thanks to all of our sponsors, thanks to so many of my great colleagues that I only get to see, sadly, once a year in most cases. I hope to see you more often, and I can't wait until next year. Bye.